Cylinder looks pretty clean, but I could wiggle this piston quite a bit. It's just making that noise. When I inspect inside the cylinder, I mean, I can't tell by looking, but I don't see any real score marks in the cylinder. That doesn't mean it's not egg-shaped or anything, but I do see, like, over here, probably like some stuff from where the piston was sitting with water in it. Looks like rust marks. So it's like here and here, just on this spot right here. I haven't got the other cylinder head off yet. I did the I tested the lash on the valves, and they were looser than they weren't too tight, put it that way, and they were working. So I'm not going to put spit in oil theory back into the intake because of tight valve lash. Anyway, I was going to ask something and I forgot what it was. Oh, yeah. Well, this piston here says it's 50 over, I guess. I think that's the max that you can go on these. I'm not sure, but maybe the rod is bad or something. I don't know. I'll figure out when I get it apart more.